see you again! Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is such an exciting video. I've been gone for a really long time. There's really no explanation. I just am unmotivated. So today's video is going to be a GlassesUSA first impressions and review. I'm super excited about it. I ordered from GlassesUSA. I ordered from GlassesUSA on August 31st and I just got them today and it is September 11th. The shipping took a really long time, so I'm hoping that the glasses are really good. I mean, they are glasses, you have to make them and all that stuff. So I kind of was fine with the shipping, but my eyes are really ready to see again. So the whole reason I ordered new glasses is because I had an excuse to. I've been looking at GlassesUSA for a while now. Probably almost a year. I got these glasses in September of last year. Since September of last year, my eyes have started to change. I haven't been able to see as much, so what a perfect opportunity to order some new frames. My prescription changed. So I'm going to show you the packaging and then give you my first impressions, my review, and all that. So without further ado, because I know you didn't come to hear me talk, you came to see the glasses. Let's get into the video. Okay, so here is the packaging. It says see what's inside, which is really punny and I love it. It says GlassesUSA on the bottom. I'm so excited. Also, my battery was like dead. My guinea pig's already jumping around in the background. I got this package like an hour ago and I couldn't open it because my battery was dead. So I was like, no, I really want to film this, so you're welcome for waiting for you. It's been really hard. It took a lot of self-control. So here's the little box. It looks really good. In other ones I've seen, it's been like a little bit beaten up, but this one looks in really good condition. So I'm going to let you guys see it. I'm really excited. I didn't even get dressed. I'm like in a sweatshirt. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, the cases are so much different than they were in other videos. These are cute. Okay, so they just come in these two blue cases that say GlassesUSA on them. Okay, that's what they look like straight out of the box. They have like a little bit of dust on them or something, I don't know. But they look really nice. Okay, and then they come with little My Prescriptions cards, which I've seen in other videos. This just has your prescription. So this is what my prescription is. It's really not that bad at all. And you get a little offer for ordering from them, so that's cool. Also in the box, you get these little cleansing wipes, and it says don't use your shirt, which is very true because half the time I have like makeup on my shirt and it just makes it worse. They came with two of them because I did order two glasses. This cool little thing, you get a $10 Amazon gift card for every friend you introduce to them, so I'm going to make all my friends go order from them. So, without further ado, I'm going to get into the actual glasses because I know that's what you came here for, and I hate when people ramble in their videos, so why am I doing it? I ordered two pairs. The first one is these Tortoise pair. Oh my gosh. I also got blue light glasses because I didn't say this, but I started doing online school, so I got blue light glasses so I can, oh my gosh, they're really cute. I really like them. Okay, so they look kind of like the ones I have on now, which I thought I would show you guys. These up close so you can see them. They're also kind of dirty. These are my current glasses. I got these like in store, like at the eyeglasses place. They just look like this. I don't know who they're from. Let me see. It might be on this side. Oh, these are Lily Pulitzer. I think that's how you say her name. I also have like the measurements, and in GlassesUSA you could type in the measurements, which is super cool. But I'm going to talk about GlassesUSA at the end for those of you who just want to see the glasses and what they look like. So I'm going to try on the first pair. They're really cute. Oh, this is my new prescription too, so this will be like me reacting to being able to see. No, I love these. No, like everything is so clear. Why is that such a thing? I forgot what it was like to see. I love these. Oh my gosh. I was a little skeptical of ordering online, and the blue light is supposed to help with like, I love these. It's gonna take me a little bit to get used to the new prescription, which it did with my other glasses, so I love that though. That is great. I'm so excited. Okay, let's look at the next pair. Okay, so here's the next ones. I'm gonna open them up. Okay. These are just your classic blacks, and I got these in blue light too. So I'm sorry I didn't get any like exciting glasses for those of you, but they have like a lot of styles, which like I said, I'll go over everything at the end so you guys can see it, but I'm going to try on these and see how I like them. I think they're really pretty. I just wanted some, like, geeky kind of glasses. That's kind of gross. I hate myself for that, but I love these. Oh my gosh, I really like these too. I was worried about the shape. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, they look so good. They're like so good. I'm sorry if you think I'm overreacting. I'm just like really happy to be able to see again. Like, my eyes have been hurting for so long. I love these. I feel like cute in these. Okay, well not right now, but like I feel cute. I feel like I could potentially be cute in these. So this is them up close and all my pores. Hello. But they're really cute. I feel like they're really nerdy. I'll show you the other ones up close too. Look at that. They're so cute. I love them. I literally love both of these pairs. I don't know which one I want to wear. Like, I just love them both. I was kind of nervous that these would be too round, but they're not. And I love them. I love how they look. Like, they just look so good. And the blue light is going to protect my eyes so much. So, that's the glasses that I bought from GlassesUSA. I'm going to go into, like, the ad portion of the video. Even though I'm not sponsored, I didn't want to talk about GlassesUSA because I'm actually really happy with my purchase. And I feel like online it can be kind of skeptical sometimes. So, let's get into the advertisement part. So, GlassesUSA has over 6,000 styles. I've been, like, doing research on them because everybody else has loved them so much, and I wasn't sure if it was just because they were sponsored or this or that. I literally love these frames so much. GlassesUSA is discounted. They have Michael Kors, they have Gucci, they have Ray-Bans, they have Tom Ford, they have everything you could ever imagine. They have the Muse and Hilary Duff collection, which I was really liking but didn't think they would match my face shape, so I didn't get any of those. But literally, GlassesUSA has so many styles to choose from. Let's just take a glimpse on their website, shall we? With my new blue light glasses, I can look straight at my computer and be fine. Okay, so when you go onto their website, they have literally everything. They have Ray-Ban, they have Versace, they have Muse, Coach, Prada, Gucci, Oakley, Calvin Klein, Michael Kors, Hilary Duff. They literally have everything you could ever imagine. They have 6,000 plus styles, and they always have some kind of deal going on. Not to mention they're already discounted in the first place. So let's just take a look at some Michael Kors glasses. I'm sorry, I'm just really excited with this, and I just want everybody to go to GlassesUSA right now and find you some glasses. Once I actually get back into YouTube and like do my stuff, you should sponsor me, GlassesUSA, okay? Because I literally love you and would love to have more of your glasses and would love to tell the world about how much I love you. So Michael Kors, you can get sunglasses from Michael Kors for $64. Do you think I'm making that up? No. They're literally right there, $64. Not to mention, your lenses are included in every frame you buy. You can get glasses starting at $19 on this website, and that is the most affordable pair of glasses. Like, unless you're going to Walmart, you are getting the best. I'm sorry, I'm gonna like tone me down a bit, recompose myself. They literally have everything you could ever imagine. This is such an amazing website to go to. I was a little skeptical at first buying glasses online. I didn't know if I would like on my face shape. I didn't know if this or that, and I didn't know if the try-on thing was really, like, really accurate. So that's the next thing I'm going to hit on. They have a thing where you can literally try on the glasses on their website, and it was accurate, okay? I will put something on the screen showing you how to do that. I'll move over here and allow my editing self to put that on the screen. But literally, look, you can try on your glasses. You just upload a picture of yourself, find any style you like, and you can go through and see what those glasses would look like on you. Also, they have a portion of when you're looking for glasses that you can put in your size. If you don't know what size you are and you already have glasses, it should be on the inside of here. I will show you mine. So, I don't know if you can see right there, you have the 51, 16, 137, and that's the style I have. That's the style I had them in. But these measurements right here are actually the measurements of your, like, lens, so you can see if it's going to be too big for your face or whatever. You can totally put those measurements in on GlassesUSA and order from them. So I wasn't sure if I was going to order from this website. I was also looking at Warby Parker. I even tried some like at-home try-on from them, but I'm so happy I ended up going with GlassesUSA. Okay, so also those of you who suffer from really bad eyesight, so I had to do my research and make sure I was thinking of the right website because I did look at a bunch, but GlassesUSA actually does high index lenses. High index lenses range from 1.53 to 1.74, and lenses with an index higher than 1.70 are usually at least 50% thinner than conventional prescription glasses. My mother suffers from really bad vision. She has like a -9 or a -10, and her glasses have always been super thick. Literally, you can go to GlassesUSA. You better bet I'm gonna invite my mom and hope she buys them so I can get my $10 Amazon gift card, okay? Literally, you can go to GlassesUSA and you can get your high index lenses. Imagine just getting to order your glasses in your bed. I ordered mine on my couch, okay? You can literally order them from anywhere. Shipping took 11 days. That was for them to process the glasses, to do their five-stripe quality test on them, because they do want to make sure that your glasses are nice and put together, and that was also for the shipping. So all three of those things combined took 11 days. I am not, no, literally, okay, wait, let's talk about how many business days that was. Okay, from the time I ordered them to the time I got them, it took 8 business days, and literally that is like kind of like good for just getting prescription glasses in the mail. So this is a whole new thing for me. I was super excited about it. I will definitely order my next pair of glasses from GlassesUSA. I love them so much. If you guys have any other questions about GlassesUSA, you can definitely ask them down in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I see them. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys found it informational, and maybe you'll go order a pair of glasses. If you do, be sure to let me know how yours turned out and if you like yours just as much as mine. Also wanted to mention this was not sponsored at all, as you can probably see from my view count. I'm not getting sponsored anytime soon. This was not a sponsored video. I just wanted to let you know my thoughts on them, and this was my true, honest review. I would tell you if I didn't like them, and I literally love them. In fact, I expected to hate them. Like, I didn't expect to hate them. I expected them to be, like, not what I wanted, because I ordered them online, and I was a little skeptical of that. But they're literally everything I've ever wanted and more, and I'm so excited about them. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I actually have other videos that I need to edit. I just want to get this one up first because I'm so excited about this one. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I already said that like 6 times. Okay, bye, I love you. Okay, but look at the quality. And my really oily eyelids. Oh, and my unibrow. Okay, we're cutting that out. Bye. I'm gonna go show my dad because he's coming home right. Wait, my hair is a mess. I'm gonna go show my dad because he's coming home right now, and he's gonna be like, I don't care, and I'm gonna be like, they're so cute. So, okay, bye.